We are in Santa Lucia. It's a little town, little hillside town outside of Milazzo, Sicily. Not too far from Catania, like a couple hours of drive. Been staying here for a couple of days. Tomorrow is the really big day. It's a wedding day. The first traditional Sicilian wedding. I've been to so many weddings before in my life, but this one's gonna be, I think, very special. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it. I've been to Spanish weddings, Lithuanian weddings, like Polish weddings, Latvian weddings, everywhere, all over the world. Not the world, but Europe. So yeah, I'm very excited about it. And yeah, today I'm just roaming around town, just trying to get some cool shots of the town. And yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. The weather's been amazing as well for the last, actually today is the first day. And yeah. We've been hiking a lot. There's not much to do over here. It's quite small town, and if you want to get somewhere, you need to get a car, you need to drive somewhere always. But I love it. Like, the food is amazing as usual. Italian food, you can't go wrong. Sicilian food, and yeah, just like enjoying the holidays a little bit. We're just gonna escape to London. Also, it's very cold over there. And yeah, it's gonna be a wedding time tomorrow, so see you later, guys.
Cufu, che ti dici a così bella, che ti dici a così tu ci cufu. Stocchi niuri, stavo cuzza russa, cu ti dici vorrei a sapere cufu. Cufu, che ti fece sto sorriso che mi porta in paradiso, cufu. Se mi guardi mi innamoro, se mi fasi io mi innamoro, e se tu non mi dici sì non resisto più. Nascisti tra le rose e gelsomini, perché sei delicata o perché sei profumata. Io dico che sei fatta di poesia, di musica d'amore e di magia. Cufu, che ti fece a così bella, che ti fece a così dolce, cufu. Io pittia divento pazzo, e se non mi vuoi m'ammazzo, e non posso mai più sapere, cufu. Chi fu, che ti fece così bella?
It's approximately 20 degrees. I think soon when the sun is out, it's actually really warm. So, and we are approaching sunset, and then we're going to grab like really traditional, cool, local, simple dinner at grandma's place. Now you know how to switch it off, huh?
No. Here?
No. Yes. That's it. Can somebody please explain me what's going on and where we are.
Okay, so we are going to my uncle's house, who's the groom, and we're gonna take some pictures before we go to the church with the bride.
Can you explain, like, uncle, like, is it...
It's my mom's brother.
Okay.
He's very nice. His name is Antonino.
So we're gonna take some pictures first, yeah?
Yes.
And then we go into church after, right?
Yes, well, we will gorge.
Poi se per caso uno di quelli arriva, di quelli vivi arriva a darti un morso in tutte e due.
A Barcellona?
We're just waiting for the groom to come out, and then we go into the church, right?
Yep.
And then, yeah, and then we're gonna go to the dinner place, dinner place, right? We're gonna take some pictures, obviously, on the way, and yeah, it's a beautiful apartment over here.
Ciao! Nella gamba. Tu metti un po' di quell'olio sulla ferita e ti passa.
Un figurino. Sei un figurino. Pure con il diamantino qua.
So this is my mother. Show us your dress.
Nunzia.
Spin around like at the Oscars.
State lì vicino che faccio la foto anch'io.
No, we're taking a video now. We cannot. Now this is my dad. Can you be in the video?
No, un attimo solo.
Ma perché devi rovinare il vlog? Sto facendo il video, adesso dobbiamo rifare tutto perché tu devi fare la foto nel mezzo.
It's a bit
Cioè,
too
non ho
shy.
capito.
Oh, no, he's disappointed now. Okay. Who are these lovely people over here?
These are my mom's parents,
So cute.
my grandparents.
Okay.
Do you have to do the whole thing again now?
Ma e lo sposo arriva prima e aspetta la sposa in chiesa?
Quindi adesso dobbiamo entrare in chiesa?
No, dobbiamo stare.
Okay, we are at the church.
We're waiting for the bride to arrive.
Walk.
Obviously, everyone needs to wear masks in a church, but outside of church is fine.
come sostegno inseparabile. Ora siamo poi
Gonna see.
Non mi conosci, non capito, non mi conosci, è lontano che vanno a vedere.
Gira, gira, nuotava, respira a fondo e poi la butta. Pace mia cantando va, e tu non piangi mai, e guardandomi negli occhi vergognosi vuoi che sto tempo non passasse mai. Baci da lontano che i baci tuoi per me non vidi mai, e a ti amori cavolia mille notti reali.
Phone in my hand.
So just arrived at our venue. So it looks very beautiful. We are on the peninsula. I would say this is Milato. This is definitely Milato, right? But like kind of the tip of Milato on peninsula. We got like sea on both sides. Yeah, well, let's check it out. What's going on in here? Look, there's a pool over there even. You have to sign in.
Nunzia dovrebbe essere già qua, è già arrivata.
Carmela Impalà, domenica giunta, tipo sono una persona che verranno a cioè nel senso.
There's amazing castle on the right. Yeah, I wish I could show you guys this place in daylight.
I wish I could show you how good this place
Yeah, it's just too dark, but
is. So much.
you can see everything over here. Like it's wow. Okay, cool. Here we go.
Now we can
We just
show
too
you
early,
guys
actually.
what's going on. No one here yet.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry. Am I in front of the camera? So me too.
Yeah. Bello, bello.
A few moments later.
Cielo d'angelo che sape indovinare, sai aspetti ancora tu non mi vorrai. Cielo d'angelo che sape indovinare, sai aspetto e non veni mai. So che aspetto e amori mi darai.
Say ciao.
Ciao. Ciao.
Buongiorno, buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Soy capitán,
what's gonna happen now?
Yes, go catch it! Go catch it!
Che hanno voglia di sposarsi o quantomeno di risposarsi. Che dice sindaco? E lascialo vivere. Basta. Le mani vanno su ragazzi. Le mani vanno su. Sulle mani. E parte l'applauso ragazzi.
Okay. Getting a cake, eh?
More than one.
No, tu stai pigliando io,
What are we gonna have?
Cannoli.
Cannoli. Yeah. Un cannolo.
Because my friend Miguel, I'm pretty sure he's watching probably now, he told me to have a cannoli, so this is it, this is the time. Like, this guy is making cannolis with a hand over here, like he's just filling them up like amazingly with the cream.
E per te lo mangi tu?
Sì, lo mangio.
Tu vuoi nel tovagliolo o nel piatto?
Nel tovagliolo.
E per te prego.
Mi fai altro cacao, per favore?
Sì.
Grazie. There we go, babe. La torta di compleanno immagino ce la portiamo a casa.
Okay, let's try the Sicilian cannoli. It's basically like a cream, right?
Ricotta.
Ricotta. What else?
It's softer.
Yeah.
In that case, there's like some chocolate in there.
Yeah.
Mixed. That's it, sugar.
Everyone is saying goodbye. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. We've been drinking wine the whole time pretty much. 5 courses of meal, a little bit of dancing, a little bit of cakes. It's pretty good. But everyone is leaving, so I guess I'm very tired. But I think I'm tired because I've been drinking too much wine, like nothing else. And I think it's been a very, very formal, civilized wedding. So we are the last people staying here because we are part of the family. So everyone needs to leave, and then we're just leaving the last people. Yeah, it's been great, like fun wedding, Sicilian wedding. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's our last day tomorrow, and Monday flying back to London. It's gonna be a long day at airports and stuff like that. But yeah.
A photo with the phone in my hand.